Mazda. Now, if you're a car enthusiast, you've probably heard the age-old debate, Toyota, Honda, or Mazda. Everyone's got a favorite, but today I want to talk about why Mazda might just be the most underrated gem in the car world. Let's start with reliability. It's not just hearsay. Mazda consistently ranks near the top in reliability surveys. Owners genuinely love these cars because they just don't break down much. I've met people driving Mazdas well past 200,000 miles still running strong. That's the kind of dependability you want if you're not keen on spending your weekends at the mechanics. But what really sets Mazda apart for me is their engineering philosophy. They call it Monotsukuri. It's all about precision, quality, and attention to detail, right from the design phase to the moment the car rolls off the production line. You can feel it in the way the doors shut, the way the steering feels in your hands, and even in the materials they choose for the interior. Mazda listens. Seriously. They actually take customer feedback and use it to make every new model better than the last. It's a huge reason why owner satisfaction is so high. People feel heard, and it shows in the loyalty Mazda drivers have for the brand. Now, if you care about your wallet, who doesn't? Mazdas hold their value really well. Thanks to their solid build and reliable reputation, you're not just buying a car, you're making a smart investment. That means when it's time to move on, you're likely to get a decent chunk back. But let's be honest, you don't buy a Mazda just to save money. You buy one because they're genuinely fun to drive. Mazda's always leaned into sporty handling and that zoom philosophy. Whether it's a simple Mazda 3 or the legendary MX-5 Miata, there's this engaging, connected feeling that makes everyday drives something to look forward to. Of course, no brand is perfect. A few owners have noticed some niggles, like higher oil consumption on certain 2.5L turbo engines, especially in the 2021 models. And yeah, a handful of people have seen some wear on leather or infotainment screens, but here's the thing, these issues are rare, and they're far outweighed by the overall reliability and quality Mazda delivers. So, how do they stack up to the competition? Toyota has the edge when it comes to sheer longevity and fuel economy, sure. Honda's got a reputation for practicality, but Mazda? Mazda is the choice for drivers who want all that reliability, but refuse to sacrifice driving enjoyment. For me, Mazda's the brand that brings it all together, dependable, fun, and built with heart. If you haven't given one a go yet, maybe it's time you did. Mom.